Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Dogecoin. In this video I'm talking about the latest update of the Dogecoin. Absolutely going very important, going very urgent for all Dogecoin holders. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe AB's Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, this time first of all, let's see the currently live price and latest price of the Dogecoin is now in the market. 0.208338 USD dollar is the currently latest and live price of the Dogecoin in the cryptocurrencies market. And my friends, you know what, that is just the last 2 hours update of the Dogecoin. Positive 2.29% the price increase, and 0.209724 USD dollar the price increase. That's the latest highest price of the Dogecoin in the last 24 hours. So my friends, you know what, now the alert news, the urgent news is that the Dogecoin price fall starts. You can see, my friends, the price falls down. Now from this time the Dogecoin price falls down, so that's why now be alert, be active in a cryptocurrencies market. Possibilities that Dogecoin will take a huge dump, so be alert. And you know what, my friends, if the Dogecoin price falls down continuously for 4 hours, 5 hours, so I recommend for everybody to sell it, my friends. Sell now Dogecoin if the price falls down for 4 hours. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your price prediction about Dogecoin? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.